today we'll study about the K-map. Okay. K-map is a scientist name, like basically its full form is Carnot map. Okay, Carnot is a scientist name he gave on basis of his name. What he says that instead of solving through Boolean expression, you can solve it through graphical methods also, and that graphical method he named by K-map. So basically K-map is divided into three categories. One is for two variable K-map, another is for three variable K-map, and another one is for four variable K-map. Okay, two variable K-map is for A and B, right? Two variable means A and B. Three variable is for A, B and C. Four variable is for A, B, C and D. Clear? Okay, Harshni? Yeah, okay. So where this one is A, for two variable we are having this one is A and this one is B, right? So if we are having only two a variable, like we are having possible condition 0 1, 0 1, right? Again this is for ABC. ABC means we are having three variable, so in this we are having A this one this side and BC this side. You can take AB this side and C individual, like this also you can do it. Okay, now tell me, if there is one switch, how many are the possible combinations? That is only two, that is 0 1. If there are two switches, how many are the possible combination? That is 4, that is 2 raised to power 2, that is 4. So it's fixed value 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. We can't change the sequence, you have to remember it. This is the sequence. Okay, now next is for the four variable. Four variable is for like A, B and C, D. You can take like A, B this side and C, D this side. It's up to you. Okay, it's not fixed, but it's up to you. You can change according to your convenience. So again for four variable, how many boxes will be there? 16 boxes will be there, right? For two variable 2 raised to power 2, 4 boxes are there. For three variable 2 raised to power 3, 8 variables, 8 boxes are there. Okay, and for four variable 2 raised to power 4, 16 boxes are there. So we are having two variables now. So how many are the possible condition? 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, again 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Clear? Now in this 0 1 we have to number it. Like how can we number it? 0 1 and this one for 2, this one for 3. Okay, now again we'll do the number for three variable. This one is 0 1, we have to leave the third column, then 2, then 3. Okay, then 4 5, again we have to leave the third column, 6 back to the third column, 7. Like these numbers are also fixed, you can't change it. Okay, no, you can't change this sequence also. It's fixed. You 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. These sequence are fixed. Okay. Next we have to put down here number 0 1. Again we have to leave the third column, that is 2 3. Again 4 5, leave the third column, 6 7. Okay. Now we have to leave the complete third row, that is 8 9. Again third column leave it, 10 11. Okay, 12 13, leave it, 14 15. Clear? Why it is so complicated? Yeah, we are having different rules, but this KMF for this is fixed. We have to leave the third column and leave the third row. Actually these numbers are fixed. Okay, we can't change this number. So this is the basic of the KMap. Next I'll tell you how to write down the Boolean expression in this KMap. Okay, write down